You're in a car accident, you go there. You got 12 visits on your insurance, you use those up, come back when it hurts again, right? It's not a corrective technique. It's not consistently correcting subluxation. It's not going to restore your long-term health. It can help you feel better, but that's what we call chiropracticil, right? It's just like taking a pill, except it's a bit more natural. It can help you feel better, but it's not fixing anything. Corrective chiropractic is totally different. The goal of corrective chiropractic care is to restore the health of your brain and nervous system, and that happens through your spine. And that's consistent and long-term. It's improving your posture, it's strengthening the structure of your spine, it's regular movement, it's checking in on it through exams and x-rays. Typically in pain relief, you don't do that. Maybe you get an x-ray once, you never get another one again. For the most part, they never get an x-ray. There's not really an evaluation, right? You walk into the joint, they just throw you on the table, you get adjusted, you walk out, right? For some people, their goal is pain relief, and that works. But if your goal is to get healthy, that's a different approach. And it requires multiple things. Number one, you got to do home care, right? We can't change your structure of your spine with adjustments alone because you have to retrain the different systems.